Panel introduction. Turn on the power and press the start button. Pulse current is a current value during welding, maximum value 99. Pulse time is hour time of an arc. Here the current and time are all computer virtual value. Start pause button. Single continuous button. Light off, single welding function. Light on, continuous welding function. 4 mode both use for continuous welding function. Resistance welding function used to stainless steel SMT. Installation. Ground cable connection. Arv welding torch connection. Manual switch connection. Foot pedal connection. Resistance welding torch connection. Welding demo. 0.9 mm stainless steel inside corner welding demo. .5 mm stainless steel plate continuous welding demo. Stainless steel sheet resistance welding demo.